Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to build walls. To build walls, you can use rectangle tools, like you can click at this icon, rectangle. I will create at this point. And then I will use offset tool to offset the rectangle object. The next, use rectangle again, I will create walls in here. Now you can use erase tools to erase the line object. I will create again example wall at this point. And then use erase tools to erase at this line. Now to convert into 3D, you can use these pull tools. You can click like this face to the top. So it will be create the wall. You also can move by using these pull tools. Like I'll move into here. Click again in another face to this point. So you can resize the walls by using these pull tools. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial, how to build walls. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.